Comrades, ria, ria. Comrades, ria.
Sisi hatutaki siasa duni zenye zinafanya tusipate maendeleo kama wanalika. Sisi tunahitaji ICT hub iweze kusaidia our comrades kufanya kazi zao, kupata pesa zao, lakini hizi siasa duni sisi hatutaki hata kidogo.
We have already completed university and there is no employment, so IT has an alternative of creating employment. So there is a need of us getting the ICT hub in Kimorori because its geographical location is suitable for many youths because the interior we have poor network connection, so and also the accessibility.
The ICT hub will increase the employment opportunities to our youths, and that is why we are here to address this matter. And we are condemning any other people who are politicizing this activity of construction of ICT hubs. Comrades, power! Power! Comrades, power! Power! Comrades, ria! Ria! Comrades, ria!